Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mahesh and today we are going to learn how to create bulk users into the Active Directory console in 2 minutes. Means Active Directory server में हम multiple users within couple of minutes कैसे create कर सकते हैं. We will learn it in this particular video. So as you can see, I'm on my Active Directory server and this is the Active Directory console, right? Now my requirement here to create bulk users like 10 users for an example, or 50 users, or 100 users maybe, right? So if I follow the traditional way, right, like new then user one by one, right, it will be time consuming task, so we are not going to do that, right? So to achieve that task in couple of minutes, what we can do, we have to create one CSV file. So let me show you the CSV file. Here it is located like users.csv. So if I open this, you will see you have to give some columns by name, then given name, that is the full name of user 12345, given name, that is the first name of user, and surname, that is the last name of user, and that same account name, that is the login name, like user1, user2, user3 means the username, and then after the password, and these are the user principal like the email IDs for the user. So that is a CSV file I already have. And in a same way, you can create it. If you do not have, I will share that file with you. Now, let's close this. And if you try to open this file with the notepad, as it is a CSV file, right? So you will see these are the string values, right? Comma separated kind of document, right? User1, then these kind of things. So that is completely fine in our case. Now, to import that particular CSV file into the Active Directory console, what we have to do, we have to open the PowerShell. So my PowerShell is already opened. So let me close this for now. Let me open it again. PowerShell, run as administrator, click yes. Now you have to run that command. So look at that command. First, we are going to import that CSV file from the path like C new user user.csv. So here is the path like C drive new user, and this is the CSV file user.csv. Then we have to set up new AD users. Then we have to set up the user account password. Then into the password, we have set that password like welcome@123, and that is common for all the users, like all the 10 users, that password is common. And then we have to enable the AD account. So if you want this particular command, I will share or I will put it into the video description, right? But command will be same, and you only have to work on that path. Might be in your infra that path, it may be different, right? So you have to check that. Okay, now simply copy this command and paste it over here into the PowerShell. Now as you can see, right now there is no test user here in my Active Directory server, so I'm refreshing it again and again, right? But now after importing that CSV file, and with the password we have configured welcome@123, and we have to enable the ID account. So if you delete that now, user account will be created, but all of the user account will be into the disable state. So we want all the user account to be enabled. So simply enable it and hit enter. So you can see command done, completed. Now let's go to the AD server. Now you can see nothing is here. Simply refresh it, and you can see now I got user1, user2, 3, 4, 10, whatever I have given from that, that CSV file. You can see now like user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So all those users are here now, and the password for all of the users like user 1, user 2, user 3, if you go to the password now, what password we have given, welcome at the rate 123. So this particular password, it is common for all the users for now. Later on, you can change the password, or you can change all the, or sorry, you can move all the users into any particular OU. Like for an example, let's create one OU here, like um, Bulk AD user. That's it. Now simply pick up all the users from here and move them to the respected OU. Like for whatever the department you are creating the user account, that doesn't matter, right? So right now I'm moving it to the bulk AD user. So that's it, guys. As I told you in the starting, we can create a bunch or bulk users into Active Directory server within a couple of minutes. So that is done. Thank you very much for today. Have a nice day. Good luck. Goodbye. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please do subscribe, share. Thank you very much.